Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today we are looking at the seed hard. H-A-R-D. The seed is pretty nice. It had a tree smelter, or I don't know. But I don't have any moods around except my shaders. Haptic shader, so let's go. We all here now, guys. So this village is, you need to go backwards like this. Then you can see the first blacksmith and just go there. Go there. This is the first blacksmith. As you can see the second blacksmith there. For easy loot, look at that. Chest, isang helmet nila, boots, nothing good. It's going there. And see the second. It's quite a big village actually. There's a mine, nice. Look, I think this is a glitch in the Minecraft seed in Bedrock. So you can see a loot in here. Let's go up. Then there's loot. Nice emeralds. Later on, I will show you how to cure a zombified villager to a normal villager. And let's look around. There's a church. Let's go up. Up. As you can see, look at the view. There's a second church over there. And the woodsland. And there's a food village house. As you see, bread, low sheep. And there's the third village. And no, nothing good. And look at that, I cured the first villager, so I'm gonna cure this one. You need a potion of weakness and cure it with a golden apple. Wait until after he shakes like a few minutes, you can see him transform to a normal villager. I'm gonna just wait here. I'm gonna light up this place because it's super dark. By the way, is my shader good? Comment down below so I can turn it off, or I'm gonna make another video about that, how to download my shaders. Not my shaders, but someone shaders that I download. Look at that water. It's moving, and the leaves too. And we just wait here until the villager becomes a villager. Wait, what? Where is she? Where is the villager? No. Oh, there you are. I'm gonna just no. It's gonna. That's it for today's video, everyone. And let me know if you want the shaders, and please like and comment. I don't care. And